starting a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, my name is Irina McEvoy and I would like to welcome you to my very first YouTube video on my brand new YouTube channel. So I've decided to kickstart my journey into YouTube by accomplishing one of the resolutions that I had in mind ever since I've seen YouTube being created. Now before the new year, and thanks to this lovely YouTuber, I've seen her video in regards to a wish board. What it means is you'll be able to have a tangible way, a visible way, of seeing all of your goals into one piece of paper or cardboard or whatever you make it out of. It's meant to help you keep in mind those goals that you have and not get distracted on your journey to accomplish them. Because as we all know, even though we have our wishes and dreams and goals, sometimes life gets in the way of that. It's all based on a principle found in this book. It's based off of the law of attraction, it's called, which means that if you have something in mind and you're always focusing on your goals and your dreams, you'll then be on a much more streamlined path in order for you to accomplish those dreams. So today I'm going to take you through my journey from creating this kind of board from start to finish, and I have absolutely no experience in this, nor have I ever done it before, so wish me luck. So from what I've seen online, it looks like we're going to need a printer, some photo paper, some black card, scissors, a marker, and some glue or tape. You're also going to need a computer to print those pictures, as well as the pictures that would like to represent your goals for the new year. And now we're going to choose the pictures that we want on our board. All the pieces together, we're going to arrange them to see how the board would look like before we make it permanent. And there you have it, guys. This is the completed board. One thing I learned from this experiment is that maybe I should pick higher quality photography paper because it gets scratched very easily. Other than that, here's a couple of things that I have on this board. First up, I've got YouTube. Currently 0 subscribers, but I've put 1,000 as a number that I would like to reach before the year ends. I've got 163 subscribers on Instagram, which is such a baby number, I know. I've put another 1,000 in here as well by the end of the year, hoping that this will be successful. By the way, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe and help a friend out. If you follow my Instagram, is irina.mcevoy, and click that button over there. Thank you! Moving forward, I've got a couple of health-related items at the bottom. I would like to learn a little bit more and expand my knowledge and read plenty of more books, which is the reason why I chose this image. It just spoke to me. I've got a couple of health essentials, making sure that you meditate and you sleep and you eat nicely, take care of your body in total, you know, all of that jazz. And this picture specifically because that is really funny. I do not know if it's allowed on YouTube. Hopefully you don't get, you know, in trouble with that. Alongside with other fitness motivations. And on this corner I have everything that I would possibly want. Travel is one major thing that I would like to accomplish this year because I haven't traveled in a while. The green coin from YouTube because it seems to be a little bit of a lucky charm for a lot of you people out there, so I'm going to try that as well. And the 2 most important items of technology that I would like to achieve and get in the near future. Currently I have a camera. I am filming everything on this 200D, But as you can see, it's a pretty standard setup. I've got a Rode mic and the Canon EOS 200D, also known as Rebel in some parts of the world. But yeah, so this would be a really nice upgrade. Obviously, I've put the absolute latest Canon 6D that Canon makes currently. Not entirely pointing at that particular model, but a nice camera update would be incredible, and it serves a double purpose of reminding myself that I need to absolutely learn how to use the camera more and experiment with everything that I can do with the current one I have. And last but not least, my absolute favorite Acer Concept D laptop. It is absolutely incredibly expensive, but it's a wishboard, so it has its rightful place on my wishboard because this is everything that I have ever wished for. It's such an incredible technology. Go and check it out if you want to find out more. Obviously, this is not sponsored in any way. It's my first ever video, but oh my god, that is goals. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you liked this video. It is my absolute first video ever. And if you know me in real life and you've cringed at this video, please comment down in the section below. Let me know, how did I do? What happened? What have I gone wrong? Let's have a laugh. Let's have a chat. Why not? If you're brand new to this channel and you're just passing by, don't forget to like and subscribe or leave a comment. Just let me know how I've done. And I really hope that I'm going to see you again. Bye.